Okay, good evening, everybody. My name is Mohd Farhan, and I'm from MJ3B evening class. With my student number is my last digit of student number is 027. Okay, in this video, I want to talk about this week task or submission in English communication, which talk about the importance and characteristic of a good presentation. First is in this task, the student must record a video with their own opinion on three questions, which is what does an interesting presentation look like? What does interesting presentation look like? And C, when you become when you become a presenter and your audience not to give their attention to your presentation, what will you do? Okay, let's start with the question number one. What does an interesting presentation look like? Interesting presentation is a presentation that look good, easy to understand, simple, and go directly to the topic. First, start from the presentation slide. For me, in my opinion, a good slide is a slide that don't use more than six line of text per slide. So in one slide, don't use more than six line of text. Second, use image to make a greater impact in your presentation. Especially it going to help you in my in the next topic I'm going to talk. Okay, which is the topic of presentation. For the topic of presentation, make it easy to understand for the audience. Make it easy to understand for the audience. Don't overcomplicate the topic. Especially if your topic is too complicated, the audience mostly going to get bored. Second is make the topic into a story. Make them imagine the topic themselves, and to help them imagine, use the image as a kind of a visual aid for the idea that we trying to present it. Okay. Second, what does an interesting presentation look like? An interesting presentation look like is a presentation that look boring, monotone, too much distraction, too much text, and no consideration of time on time or too long. Okay, let's start from the presentation slide. Okay, in presentation slide, first the use of PowerPoint stock template. In Microsoft PowerPoint there is a section that we can use a basic template that we can use for making our presentation. That's for me a big no-no, because the template is old, is boring, and for me it's kind of ugly. You can use mostly online template that available on the internet is good, and make sure the template is it's perfect with your topic that with the topic that we going to present it. The second is too much text, too much text. For me, if the presentation have too much text, is bad. Don't make the presentation look like a book. Another thing is the text is too small. Small text in presentation is bad for audience. For example, if I have bad eyesight, I have minus 2. So if I were an audience and someone giving a presentation and the text is too small, I cannot read that. So don't make the text too small. Another thing is the contrast between the text color and the background. If the font color is similar with the background, it gonna make the audience hard to read them. For example, if the background white and the text color is gray, it's going to make me harder to read them. So make them contrast. For example, uh, white and black. Another thing is the use of overuse of color. For me, if don't don't make the presentation slide too colorful. It going to distract is going to distract the audience from the topic. The next is about the presentation. As I mentioned before, if the presenter just reading the presentation from the slide, it going to make the presentation boring. Also, if the presentation too long, the audience gonna get bored. Okay, the third question is what you become as when you become a presenter, and your audience not to give their attention to your presentation. What will you do? If the audience not give their attention to my presentation, the first thing that I would do is ask them question to the audience directly. For example, there is a person in front of me. I'm going to ask them question about the topic that I just presented, or their opinion about the topic is good too. The second is pausing. Pausing is a good way to gain attention from the audience. So uh, if you pause for a few seconds, the audience gonna wonder what's going on. So especially if I'm talking a lot and then I'm suddenly pause, the audience gonna wonder what's going on, why he suddenly don't stop talking. So yeah, pausing is also a good way for for the for the presenter to collect to have some time to uh, pause, have a time for themselves. Another thing is tell a story relating to the topic. Most of us like a story, so why not give them a story? If we tell a story, about the topic, they can start making a connection between them and the topic. So, for example, you tell a story about your own experience on for about the topic. Okay, I think that's all that I'm going to present it. I'm sorry if there are any misword. Thank you for attention. Good evening.